We have to be gentle because we could. All right, that's good enough.
That's good, yeah.
But now let's make sure we didn't throw it out of level. How's that? I can't even. This side's broken. How's it look from over there, Marnie? And level is truly right in between the lines.
Yeah.
It's good.
Still good? All right, now let's gently try to brace this side. Often I'll brace them opposite directions. It has a little bit to do about which way we need to push it. Go ahead and put the level on there, Marnie, and let's see. Go ahead and stand right on the side. Let's get you up. And then look at it right from the side. Alright, now that's what it is. Actually, it needs to go back a touch. So, okay, so we know that, Marty. So you can let that go and hold this board at the door gently. Okay, I've got the board now. You can get the level back on the door. Okay, let's look at it again. It does need to go back a touch, but because we're sitting in a wet concrete, that looks a little better, right?
Yeah.
Reasonable. How are we looking on down here? And if we like it, then we're done.
Good, I guess.
No,
It's a bit hard to adjust now. It has to do with moving the braces.
Well, one bash on this side should be good.
We'll try. But what it does, see, now we've got it braced, so when we hit it down, it's going to try to yank it
Yeah.
that way.
It's not horribly off.
It's not horrible. Did that do anything?
Not really.
Let me give it one more.
It did something. Oh, well, yeah, that's lovely.
All right. Don't breathe on it.
Splendid.
It's in. Good job.
Sweet.
All right.
Woo!
High five.
Looks a bit gay.
Yeah.
A little
Are we
bit.
doing Camel today, Phil?
No,
No.
we're going to look at that.